Tesla delivering some positive news for investors, just out with its first quarter delivery numbers. I want to get over to Phil LeBeau. He joins us now because that stock is moving up over 15%. Phil.
And it's popping, Andrew, because these are better than expected delivery numbers. Now, already you're hearing from the skeptics out there, the bears who are saying, well, look, they lowered down expectations. The street wasn't expecting as much because March with the coronavirus meant that the estimate came down to 79,000. They delivered just about 89,000 vehicles. 88,400 is the exact number. Here's how it breaks down in terms of their deliveries. And when you look at this, the Model 3 and the Model Y are going to get the most attention. That's going to be the volume for them. Obviously, Model 3 right now. The Y, they're just starting to do those deliveries in China as well as a few here in the United States. So the majority are Model 3 and Model Y. And again, the total number, 88,400, better than expected. The production number of 102,000, that might be more relevant, guys, because people are looking at this saying, all right, we knew that they had problems in China with the COVID-19. Now we have problems with the plant in Fremont being shut down, but they came up with 102,000. Now the question becomes, what do we expect for the second quarter? And estimates are all over the map. And the question is also whether or not they can meet their target of delivering 500,000 vehicles this year. One other note in the auto sector, guys, I want to touch on. BMW CEO out with comments today, essentially talking about the state of the business as it deals with coronavirus around the world. And the CEO telling Oliver Zipse, telling a reporter that the dealerships have virtually stopped retailing. Not a surprise. It's hard to find many dealerships that are functioning either in Europe or in the United States. Also says they're preparing to ramp plants when the time is right. But large-scale China production, if there is a silver lining here, it's that large-scale China production is coming back. Whether or not we start to see the sales volume in China is a separate question, guys. But there is that indication of positive news coming in the auto sector in China. Right now, on the production side, let's see if the volume in terms of demand is there over the next month or two.
Phil, do you think there'd be a huge shock or surprise if any of these numbers weren't met? I mean, I feel like we're throwing out guidance for every single company under the sun. Why should we hold these guys to a different standard?
I think you're right. I think most people look at the guidance, whether it's Tesla, whether it's another automaker, and they're saying, how do we have any idea, A, that production is going to be close to what we think it's going to be, and B, the demand. It's all over the map in terms of what people are expecting on the demand side. So I think you're right, Becky. So that 500,000 figure for Tesla deliveries this year, if they have to bring it down at some point, I think nobody's going to be surprised by that.